Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7Beats and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to record your voice in FL Studio. So first connect your microphone to the computer. When you open up FL Studio, open up your mixer. You can do that right here. And then we will select insert one. And we will call this one our vocal bus. And right now when the vocal bus is selected, go to this one right here to the right of your mixer. And we want to record in mono and select inline 1, so in 1. And right now, as you can see, the signal is going through insert 1. And when we want to record our vocal, we want to hit this one right here. And right here, FL Studio is just asking you if you want to record in Edison, if you want to record in the playlist as an audio clip. And I think when you're recording over a beat, for example, or recording vocals, you want to record the audio in the playlist. So just press this one. And right now my vocal is recording in FL Studio. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if this was what you're looking for. Also let me know if you have any more questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if this one helped you, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.